HTMmarket.com, and I just want to introduce you guys to my mom and my dad. They've been married over 50 years now, and I kind of want to give you a history of how everything has started in our family. My mom has a history of diabetes. When she was pregnant with my brother, she had gestational diabetes, and she's always kind of been borderline pre-diabetic. My dad has had a history of heart disease in his family, which got passed down to me and my brother. And so we have this genetic line of issues, you know, and so I had heart failure about 10 years ago now. And because my mom was a pre-diabetic, she's always been trying to eat healthy and do right and all that good stuff. Thank God she's never had to be on medications, right, Mom?
That's right.
But when you were pregnant with Ivan, so I'm 17 years older than my brother. When she was pregnant with my brother, you got gestational diabetes.
Yes.
She gained about 80 pounds in that pregnancy.
But towards the end, she put me in a very strict diet.
It was very hard.
Very hard. Yeah.
Very hard. She went from being 120 to almost 200. And they took him a month early because of her diabetes and because the baby was so big. So it's kind of crazy, guys. And so when my heart failed, my mom had already had a head start on eating healthy and everything. And that's how this business kind of got started, by her and I putting our brains together and working hard on everything. And then with my dad, with you, Bob, you had, Bob means dad in Chaldean. I'm not calling him Bob, his name is Bashir. So anyway, my dad has had 2 massive heart attacks.
That's right.
You had an aneurysm on your heart.
Aneurysm.
He had a 5 bypass open heart surgery, and they fixed his aneurysm. Then you had a TIA.
And he has 6 stents.
Yes.
You have 6 stents. He had prostate cancer, and then he had pancreatic cancer. And that was 10 years ago. What's that?
That's right, 10 years ago. But now I am a survival of 2% in the whole world of pancreatic cancer.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, I just wanted to give you guys a history. Like, we've all got our health issues, and then you guys know I'm a mom of 11. I've had 11 C-sections. I've had heart failure. This is my 5th battle. What did you want to say?
I want to say that also I have Hashimoto hypothyroidism.
That's how we came up with the thyroid powder, because you have Hashimoto, and my brother was diagnosed with Hashimoto as a teenager. And he was put on Synthroid, and the Synthroid kind of damaged his heart, made his heart race. Not that that happens to everybody, but I think because we already have heart disease in our lineage, we need to be careful about medication that can cause or trigger heart problems.
So Ivan got the worst of the 2.
So yeah, my brother basically got both these, and he ended up, so the Synthroid made his heart race. So that was kind of how we started with the thyroid powder. And if you go online and you click on the Healthy Roid powder, you will see all the testimonies. And honestly, that's not all of them, because everybody comes in and gives me a testimony, and I just don't have time to like document everything and share it. So those are some of the testimonies on the thyroid powder. But guys, the reason I'm making this video is to show you that you can be in your mid-80s and survive heart attacks and strokes and pancreatic cancer and diabetes. How old are you, Mom?
68.
68. And how old are you, Bob?
82.
82.
Going to 83.
83. Okay. And I'm going to be 47. And I've had 11 C-sections, and I've battled heart failure. I've had 4 kids post-heart failure. Like, guys, the purpose of Healthy Treats Market is not just for weight loss, even though everybody loses weight. Don't tell me when you cheat. I get really upset. I'm going to buy a Healthy Treats Market paddle. I just had I had a sweet lady today message me, Tamara, I lost 6 pounds in a week on your meal kit, and I cheated. And I'm like, I wish I didn't hear that, because you'd have lost 8 pounds if you didn't cheat. But anyway, guys, I love you. I'm joking. I know things happen, but I really, really, really try to provide alternatives so that you never have to cheat, okay? That's why I say don't cheat, because I try to give you an alternative for everything. So check out our recipe book, guys. Visit healthytreatsmarket.com. Just go and binge watch videos, binge watch testimonies, binge watch videos. This is just another video to show you that this works, okay, guys? With all that we've been through, we're able to take care of ourselves. She's on very little meds. He's on very little meds. I'm on no meds, and I just do my food and supplements, and we're just living proof that Healthy Treats Market works. Okay, guys? We love you so much. Is there anything you want to say, Bob?
No, I just go 3 to 4 times, work out, and
Yes.
I work good.
That's right.
I do good.
One more thing I want
Yeah,
to
Mom.
mention about that. Bashir was taking the blood pressure medications, was caused some issues for his kidney.
Yes, yes. So that I'll talk about that. So his blood pressure meds, he was on them for so long that actually they started damaging his kidneys. So his potassium levels kept going up. So we went off all meds.
I am out of the blood pressure now.
Yes.
Whenever I test my blood
It's
pressure is very good.
So he went off all meds, and believe it or not, we went to Cleveland Clinic, which is the #1 hospital in the world for heart and lungs.
Yes.
And our cardiologist documented on his medical record, this man does better off medication than he does on them. Guys, Healthy Treats Market, it's not Healthy Treats Market, it's Jesus, okay?
Yes.
It's all Jesus.
Exactly.
Like, Jesus God gives you the means, and then God gives you the ends. And you got to use God's means to get to God's end, okay? And all we're doing is taking the food that God has given us. Don't forget, the very first sin that was ever committed was forbidden fruit, right?
Yes.
So just because there's all this stuff out there doesn't mean it's okay for you to partake of it. So especially not if you've abused your body, guys. So we love you. We want you to come visit us, okay? Visit healthytreatsmarket.com, and you can message me anytime. Thanks for watching. God bless you.
Bless you.
How long?